About 1 year ago, I bought this '08 Nissan Rogue, and after having some mishaps, I posted this video on YouTube, which blew up.
Unfortunately, I uploaded this video to YouTube and got copyrighted multiple times in a row and wasn't allowed to select or remove the song, so I had to mute the audio, so that's why you guys are hearing a voiceover right now.
So the course of action when I originally bought this was to make a couple bucks. I was going to beat on it a little bit, make some money after I fixed a couple things. That changed. On the way home, I discovered the following things. Transmission was slipping. It was spewing CVT scented mist out of all of the vents. The front end is falling out of it. The tires are bald. The interior was kind of disgusting. The radio didn't really work. The hole that came of the rear diff on my way home in this thing, I ripped the front bumper off. So I decided it's time for it to die. Here we have a car battery. We're gonna put it under the hood, see if this thing fires up. I hear you shouldn't use a car battery to wash your car as it can cause micro scratches. Cameraman, jiggle my terminals. Trying not to touch too much in this interior. Cameraman, get a view of how this looks. Oh no, the windshield's cracked. Cameraman, is this loud enough? It looks like we have a flat tire as well. Very unfortunate. These doors actually hold up pretty good. I did this to a couple other cars and like the doors practically fold. This thing, it loves it. I mean, it says Jake's Garage, but it's just not bright enough. I think it looks pretty nice. You see it's angry? It looks like we may have caused some surface scratches with the battery earlier. This car's name is Delulu. As you can see, it's spray painted up there as well as carved right here. But we're gonna buff these scratches out. Some brisk iced tea should help to keep it cool. I'm just trying to make sure that it makes it to the end of the road. With the Dawn dish soap that's in here, it probably should help clean the inside out. It looks like we got none in there, so we'll call that good probably, maybe. Ah, yes. A summer stroll in the rig. I wish this was rear-wheel drive. A beauty. We're gonna try neutral dropping it to see if we can get one more out of it. Oh, we're moving again. One more time. It's got a safety switch on it. I think that's the transmission making that noise. My foot's still to the floor.
No.
That's all. Well, looks to me as if it's time for it to die. It drank the rest of that coolant. It's starting to get warm. Oh man. Oil shouldn't look like that. She's gonna keep running though. I raise you one hand of small gravel. It won't rev. I'm completely dead pedal. That's all it's got. I think that's all. I think she sees. Let's try one more time. A fire. Well, I started the day with a mostly dysfunctional, but at least running and driving Nissan Rogue. And now I will be pushing it back home with the tractor. It has lots of rocks in the motor. There's more rocks in the motor at this point than there is cubic inches, because this is a 4-cylinder that had a blown rear diff, a bad transmission, a ton of problems, a ton of codes, bad exhaust. It's rotten in the rear subframe. The interior is moldy. It drank oil. It drank coolant. It leaked coolant. This thing was probably the worst vehicle I've ever bought, and overall, it's just been a terrible investment. So I wanted to enjoy myself by destroying it on YouTube. I wanted to post this because I did get a lot of hate last year on that video that I posted, but I got a lot of people that thought it was cool, and I think that this is cool. So let's get this thing to the scrapyard, recuperate a small portion of my money, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.